Hello, today I'm going to show you how can you customize cards, okay, in Azure DevOps. So let's go to our ERP projects, let's go to Boards, and let's go to Backlog, okay. If you go to Backlog and you go here on Settings, you will see that you will not be able to customize your cards. If you go to Boards, on the other hand, you will have possibility to customize your cards. So cards can be customized either in Backlog or Sprints. So let me show you here. You can see that I showed stories here, okay? And if I go here, I can customize cards. So here in this board, I will customize my epics and features. So to get epic, to possibility to customize epic card, I will go to epics. Okay, now you will see how they are shown here. Okay, I want to customize card, and when I say I want to customize how will it appear on a board. So I choose the epic, I go here, and I can put a lot of things here, but today I will go make it simple, and I will show you two things: fields and styles. For fields, you will see that I have here which fields do I want to show. So I can show here show ID, show assigned to as avatar only, full name only, and avatar and full name, and that is default, and I will say. And tags. Let's say I don't want to see a tags. Let me cancel this. You see tag is here urgent. I don't want to see that. Yes, you can say it doesn't make a sense, but this is just an example. I will throw it out, and I have here state field, which I can also remove, and I want to add who is the creator. So created by, okay, and I will say save and close. Now you can see that it is created by me, and it is assigned to John and Paula. Let me go and do for the feature. Okay, now I will go here. I see features here, back here, and I will say, okay, don't show tags and show field it is created by. Now, be aware that on each and every screen, you can check this out or opt this out or in and out. So if you want to display fields even when they're empty, you can put checked here. If you don't want to see empty fields, you will leave it blank. Okay, save and close. You can see created by. Now I can do this for the user stories, but I will not use this one. Okay, I will show you. I can do this for user stories, but I used the board, the main board, for epics and features. I will go to sprints. Okay, and in sprint, when it's loaded, I can go here, and here I can choose which one I want to modify. So here I will say, okay, user story. And for user story, I want to get rid of tags, and I want to see created by, but I also want to see another one, and that is okay, iteration path, in which sprint it is. Okay, you can see here that you can add for each and every item type up to 10 fields, otherwise the card will be too large. So here I can see that this is not an iteration, this one is iteration number 1, etc., etc. Okay, now let's go to back and see what I want to do for bug. For bug, I want to see, okay, I will remove tags, and I will say I want to see for example, severity. Sorry. And I will see, put save and close. I cannot show it because I didn't create bug. And when I will create, it will be shown here. And for task, last but not least, I don't want to see tasks, but I want to see, okay, original estimate. Sorry, original estimate. I want to see completed work. Okay, and if you want to know which fields are available and you don't know the name, you can scroll here. Okay, save and close. Now you will see that I have original estimate, completed work. Original estimate, completed work. Let's go here on the right. Okay, original estimate, completed work, but I didn't put completed work here, so let me put it. So remaining 16 is here, original is remaining is 8, so obviously let's say that 8 hours are completed. When you go here, okay, and when you put completed, for example, not here, sorry, this is the wrong task. Let's say here, you will see that remaining is shown here, okay, remaining work. If I go here and say, okay, completed is 20, this is develop customer entry screen. How does it? So it doesn't show. It shows it, okay, but after some time, maybe a second or two. Okay, so I got what I wanted. This is the first part of this video. This means which fields do I want to show on a card for a specific item. Let me show you another thing. Let me show you something like styles. And to show you styles, I'm going back to boards here. I'm going to choose Epic, which is here, and I'm going to choose here settings, and I will choose styles. So here I can put styling rules. So I can put, say, rule for, let's say, new Epic. Okay, and I will say I want to have it red, okay, if the field state is new. Okay, so I will show what, this card as red if it is in new state. How can I see it? If I put it here, it's in new. Let's say I want to put, if they are in active state, they will be yellow. So I'm going here and I'm going to say, okay, now styles, rule for active Epic. And I will say it will be yellow. Let's say this one, if the state is active. Okay, and I will say if it's closed, it will be green. Okay, so I will go here and we say styles, rule for closed Epic, and I will say it will be green. Okay, here if state is closed, and believe me, it will be green if the state is closed. So I will do it for features as well, and when I finish it, I will come back to you. So I finish it for feature and I finish it for user stories, bugs, and tasks. Where did I finish it? in sprints. So I went to sprints, I went here, and for user stories, bugs, and tasks, I created styles, rules. And if I go to styles, no matter if I'm in task, bug, or user stories, remember I'm in sprint backlog. If I go to styles, I will see everything. So you see that I put rule for closed bug, it will be green. Rule for waiting bug, waiting for, and let me open it. So it says if state is wait for feedback, it will be then red. Okay. I created rule for closed task, for waiting task, etc., etc. I want to show you two more things here. First of all, you don't have to have only one condition to trigger the rule. Let me show you this one. I say this rule is for active task with remaining work equal or greater than 16. So if I have active task and it has remaining work which is greater than 16, I will say it is red. It has a lot of work to do. Otherwise, if I have remaining, so you can see here state is active and remaining work is equal or greater than 16. So here you will see that I have something which says here, your styling choice apply to all work items. They match all clauses from your custom criteria. And you will see that when those two criteria are both satisfied, then my item will be red. Okay, that is one thing. And you can see that I have another, that task with remaining work less than 16 is going to be yellow. Okay, now you see I have a little different colors. Now let me show you here. I have active task, okay, which has remaining work 8, which is less than 16, and this is yellow task. I will say yellow. Card is yellow, but here I have 20. Let me put 15. Sorry, here 15. You will see it will become yellow. If I put 20 back, it will become green. Now red. Sorry. And now you will see if I go here back and I go to styles. Let me go here to fields, user stories, and I go to styles. You will see that I have rule for closed blah, 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 and I have rule for active story, which is yellow, rule for resolve stories, which is green, and rules for clarification and waiting stories, which are red. Now let me cancel this, okay, and let me go here on boards. Now, I expect, since I put already here rules once again, maybe I'm boring, but if I show you once again, I created some rules for stories. Let me show you. Rules for active stories, yellow for state is active. And if I go to boards, here, and if I go to styles, for user stories, you will see that I don't have those styles. So here in Sprint, if you go to your styles, open any style. Okay, here I can see I made a mistake, URL, I can change it. And you will see your criteria choice apply to all work items. Okay, so all work items which are closed are going to be green. Okay, okay, so it applies once again rules for all of styles. That is why when you see this here, I am here in task. If I go to bug and if I go to styles, all those styles apply to all items here, which mean bugs, tasks, and user stories. On the other hand, those styles doesn't apply in the board. So if I want to have the same cards on the board, the same colors, then I have to create them here as well. So now I'm going to go here, styles, and I will say, okay, let's say rule for active stories. Okay, and I will say that it will be yellow, and I will say if state is active. Okay, and I can add another one, rule for result stories. Okay, and I can say if they are resolved, they are going to be green. So state is resolved. And I can add one more, and I can say rule for let's say clarification stories. And I can say if state is clarification, then it will be red. Now if I put here, you will see this one is yellow, but if I put this one on clarification, okay, it will be red. If I put it back, it will be white or original color. So basically, to conclude the whole video, when you create rule styles for boards here, for example, for user stories, because you can, or for epics or for features, in Sprint you can see user stories, but those styles which are defined here in boards will not apply when you look at the Sprint board, and vice versa. Those styles which are created for Sprint backlog are not going to be applied for boards. Okay, and last but not least, all styles which are here created in Sprint are for every single item, no matter if this is user story, task, bug, or whatever. Okay, hope this helps. Thank you very much. See you.